Hey, unboxing fans, I'm here with yet another unboxing. This is a letter addressed to me with their address right here. So I'm not going to show either. This ship from Louisville, Kentucky, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my video as I'm opening it up, the package. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other unboxings. So this is a pretty cool unboxing. I've been really looking forward to it. I've been buying gift cards to restaurants and movie theaters lately on eBay, and this seller was selling specific ones. And there's also going to be some ones that are just random mystery ones that he threw in, he or she. This is Panda Express. Present this card at participating Panda Express locations for a free 2 entree plate and small fountain drink. This is for Jersey Mike's, free giant sub, no purchase required. So this one expires this year, it says. This is the same. So we got 2 more Jersey Mike's, giant subs. This is a free entree. This card entitles you to 1 handmade Qdoba entree. Enjoy. So I got another one. Got a couple. So I got several of those. I'm a big fan of these restaurants. I would not have bought them. So this is going to be the extra, the mystery stuff. This is a free combo meal for Taco Bell. And this is another free taco combo meal. Free combo meal at Taco Bell. I don't eat Taco Bell anymore. It's my favorite fast food of all time. But I have made healthier decisions, and I've decided to stay away from things that I overeat at. So it's crazy, but yeah. I justify it by, I can't go to Taco Bell because it's too delicious. So another free combo. Several free combos to Taco Bell. Wow, that's a lot. So I actually have family that go to Taco Bell and on the regular, and this is what they're gonna have. That's not for me. Got another Panda Express entree. Got Jersey Mike's free sub. Qdoba free entree. I got a bunch. So I'm pretty happy with this. So what I do is I'll go and I'll search for something like Qdoba, search for something like Jersey Mike's, something that I enjoy. And if they have a gift card or they have free entree that's cheaper than, like an entree at Qdoba is like $6.99 to $10.99. I spent $2.99. So I'm saving big time on that, and it's a value that I just can't pass up on. Let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite fast food restaurant? Leave a comment below, and let's talk some yummy food. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other videos. Have a great day.